What's up, you guys? Welcome back to my channel. I hope you all are doing well. So in today's video, I have a weekend vlog for you guys, a Ramadan edition. So it is Sunday right now, Sunday, May 2nd. However, I did film some stuff yesterday. On Saturday, my sister and I pretty much prepped some sehri / sahur, whatever you call it, and we made some strawberry shortcake overnight oats, and it was so good, you guys. I had it this morning, so I got you guys. I filmed it, and I'll also have the recipe linked down below in the description, so you guys can definitely check that out. And also yesterday we were craving breakfast for dinner, so we prepped some of that and I filmed it. Super entertaining. So I'll go ahead and insert Saturday's clip and then we'll get on with Sunday. Hey guys, so we're gonna be making some overnight oats right now. It's Saturday evening and my sister and I want to prep our sehri / sahur, whatever you call it, for tomorrow morning. So this is our first time making this strawberry shortcake overnight oats, so I'm really excited to try it. So I'm just going to give you guys a quick rundown of what we need. To start, we're going to need strawberries. So my sister is just going to go ahead and start chopping those while I go through everything else that you're going to need. So you're going to need chia seeds. So we have some right here. You're going to need oats, of course. So we have these ones right here. These are the 1 Minute Oats by Quaker. As you guys can see, you're going to need some sort of syrup to sweeten it. We're going to be using Aunt Jemima syrup. We have the light version, so this is 50% less calories. We love that, although calories don't matter during Ramadan, am I right? Mm-hmm. Yeah, but anyways, that's what we have at home, so that's what we're using. We have some vanilla extract as well for some nice flavoring. And then you're going to need like any type of milk of your choice. You can use nut milk or just regular milk. We're using some silk almond milk, and this is unsweetened. And then you're also going to need some yogurt, and we're using this organic vanilla yogurt. So I'm really excited. I feel like this is going to taste really, really good. We've actually been on like an overnight oat or what is it? Overnight oats kick, I guess. We've just been loving it. We've been using like peanut butter and bananas and just doing like random stuff, and it's been amazing. But I'm excited to try this one today because I think it's going to be really, really good. And who doesn't love strawberry shortcake? So while my sister chops away, I'm going to get started with the overnight oats. So to start, I'm going in with oats, and you're going to need just a little bit more than half a cup of oats. So I'm just going to go ahead and do that. I really just want you to put a little bit more, so I'm just going to sprinkle a little bit more on top. Next, you want to go in with half a cup of whatever milk of your choice. So I'm going in with almond milk. Oatmeal keeps you so full during the day. Like, do you feel the same?
Yeah.
Like, I feel like whenever I have oatmeal for sehri or sahur, I'm literally good.
Yeah.
Same. Just chopped it off a little bit. That's fine. Next, you want to go in with 3 tablespoons of the yogurt for both. So next you want to go in with a 1/4 teaspoon of vanilla extract. I'm just going to go in with a splash here because we don't have a 1/4 teaspoon. So I'll just put half there, the other half in there. Next you want to go in with a tablespoon of maple syrup. And then you just want to go in with some chia seeds. I'm going in with about a teaspoon, like about a tablespoon, I would say, actually. Mm-hmm. And lastly, we're going in with the strawberries. I'm gonna let you do the honors and mix yours. So you guys, that's pretty much it, and what you want to do is just leave this in the fridge overnight, and then it's going to basically be ready the next morning. But Noshin and I decided that this is way too big of a serving for the both of us. So we're just gonna split some into a 3rd bowl and make 3 portions and give some to our brother, because this is a lot of food and I cannot eat this much in the morning. So we're just gonna do that. that's pretty much it for our sehri slash sahur prep, you guys. I'll let you know how it tastes. Maybe I'll show you guys in the morning, but yeah, that's pretty much it. I think this is gonna taste so good just by the ingredients. Like, wow, I'm so excited. All right, you guys, so my sister and I are going to be prepping our iftar now, and we were craving breakfast for dinner, so I thought I would share with you guys kind of what we're going to be making today. So to start, we're going to be making these croissants. We got this big box from Costco, you guys. Best thing our dad got for us. You can always have fresh croissants and it's amazing. So we're going to be making some of these. I'm going to make some hash browns. If you guys watch my what I eat in a day videos, you guys know I'm obsessed with these hash browns. And then I have some bacon as well, some Zabiya halal chicken bacon. You guys know I love this too. And then my sister's going to make some avocado toast. So we have some avocados here and some rye bread. We love rye bread right now, especially my sister loves it more than I do, but it's pretty good. And then we're going to make some scrambled eggs. And then we've just got some toppings and some stuff for the avocado toast. And then we have some fruit that we're going to chop up. So yeah, that's just a quick rundown, and we'll show you guys how we cook everything and the final product. All right, Notion's gonna do her avocado toast. Let's get it. Let's see how this avocado is.
I know, it's always questionable.
Wow,
Not bad.
that one's nice. Well, we're gonna scrap avocado toast because it's too hard. That's okay. On to the next. We'll get working on this stuff.
Like, I actually don't think I've ever cut oranges for myself. I think mom's done it always.
This is the year we go and learn.
This is the year we're independent kids. Just kidding. Let me get a bowl.
Immigrant parents love languages.
Is cutting fruit for you? You're studying? Here's some fruit. You're doing absolutely nothing with your life? Here's some fruit.
Yep.
These look really good though.
Yeah,
like,
they do.
right? They look so juicy and sweet. I hope they are.
I'm sure they're great.
Remember when Thazim said that my cutting skill stresses him out? He takes one foods class in high school and then he's like the biggest judge. My own knifing skill stresses me out.
It's like Fruit Ninja out here.
So cute. Look at that. Yum. Always have to have some fruit for iftar.
Always. Disclaimer. We live in a brown household, so these hash browns may or may not turn out yellow.
They're already turning yellow. I washed this pan like 100 times, guys.
And that's on cooking everything with turmeric.
Do we want to show them the fish living in a Bengali household? If you know, you know. If you know, you know. That's it. If you know, you know. Okay. Okay.
Anyway, we'll be back.
We'll be back shortly with the final product.
All right, omelet time. Oh God. Did you see that egg explode? I can't crack eggs. Some green onion, because who doesn't love green onion? Some milk. I think that's good. Salt. Machine said, too much salt.
Yeah, good.
And some pepper. Yes, flying fork.
So breakfast stuff is coming along, but I just wanted to show you guys some food that a family friend brought for us. It's so sweet. We have some rice and chicken. We have some sweets here. This is dahi bara, and then just a bunch of like fried stuff, which I'm super excited to try. And then this is a Bengali dish. It's called chotpoti. I'm so excited. So this is actually pretty normal for us, you guys. Pretty much every day, a family friend or a family member has been bringing us food. And we've also kind of done our part too and given family friends and family some food. And I think that's so cute. I love the Bengali community and how close-knit we are and how we do that for each other. But yeah, I'm so excited to eat this. Okay, you guys, so we have everything set up. We have our hash browns, we have our eggs,
We have our croissants and then bacon. We have some red bread going. Too bad we couldn't make the avocado toast because the avocados were just not ready. Some fruit, and then we have just some samosas, some laddus, and then some food from our family friend. I'm super excited. Can't wait to eat. It's almost time for iftar.
All right, you guys, welcome back to Sunday. I hope you guys enjoyed Saturday's portion of the vlog. It was pretty much just a lot of food and a lot of food prep. Pretty much, I guess you can say that portion of the vlog is me sharing with you guys typically what I eat in a day during Ramadan. So right now I was just looking at some of my new Madam Glam nail polishes that Madam Glam kindly sent to me. So I really wanted to share these new shades that they sent me with you guys. So again, big shout out to Madam Glam. I have been loving their products. I did do like a demo and a review on my channel of Madam Glam and their nail polishes, as well as one of their UV LED lamps. So if you guys haven't checked that out, I'll have the video linked up here and also down below in the description so you guys can check that out. But right now I just want to share the new colors that they sent me. So the first one that they sent me is this beautiful shade called Back to Cali, and this is like a light lavender shade and it's so beautiful. It's gonna be so perfect for the summer. I'll just go through the shades with you guys and then I'll do some swatches on my hands. I'm not gonna do my nails right now because I am fasting, and so I'm not going to be able to pray if I have my nails done, so I'm not gonna do that right now. But again, if you guys want to see a demo, you want to see these nail polishes in action, and you want to see how the UV LED lamp works, check out my review. I'll have it in the description and also up here like I mentioned. So lovely color right here. The next color that they sent me is the shade Sleepy Eyes, which is this gorgeous like light blue shade, this sky blue shade. It's so gorgeous. Again, perfect for the summer. Can't wait to try this. Can't wait to swatch it for you guys. So the next shade that they sent me is this gorgeous deep red, you guys, which I think I'm gonna end up wearing for Eid. Basically for Eid, I'm wearing like this light gray taupey color, like head to toe pretty much. So I feel like red will be a really nice pop of color on my hands. So this is called Amour, and it's pretty much just this really gorgeous deep red, and I mean, who doesn't love a nice red nail polish, right? So I'm really excited about that. And the last color that they sent me is the shade Cheek to Cheek, and it's this gorgeous like light corally peachy color, and I'm super excited. I love corals, you guys. I do get my nails done once in a while at the salon, and whenever I do, especially in the summer, I always end up doing some sort of like a corally neon shade, but this is more on the lighter side, so it's definitely more wearable, not so intense. So I'm really excited. So I'm gonna go ahead and swatch them, and I'll show you guys in just a second. Here are the colors swatched on my hand, you guys. They are so beautiful. I cannot wait to wear the red one on Eid. It's so beautiful and elegant, and then the other three shades are just so perfect for summer and spring. So yeah, I'm just loving them. So I don't know if I already mentioned, but these are gel nail polishes, you guys, and I have just been loving these products, especially because I love being able to do my gel nails at home. It's super easy and simple to do, and the results are always so beautiful every time. So if you guys are interested in checking out Madam Glam for yourselves, I do have a coupon code. It's Nadifa30. You guys can use that to get 30% off.
Look at the little duck. So you guys, my siblings and I are just want to walk around our neighborhood, and we're in this like naturey path. Look at that duck. Anyways, so yeah, we were just checking out this nature path near our house. Got the siblings. Hey. So yeah. Oh, the duck's gone. Anyways, let's just keep going. Hey you guys, so I am currently in my car. I'm in the Popeyes parking lot. It's almost time for Iftar. I'm out right now with my dad and my sister and we're just grabbing food. So I'm really excited to be having Popeyes. It's been a while. So my sister and my dad are actually inside right now. And then we're gonna go to Starbucks and grab some drinks. I'm really excited to be sharing my current favorite obsession with you guys. It's pretty much like this viral TikTok drink that I saw, and I've just been getting it all the time, especially after breaking your fast, you guys. It is so satisfying. It's really good. Like, I'll give you guys my full-on review once I get the drink and I'll show it to you guys. But yeah, it's amazing. It's definitely on the sweeter side, but it's great for when you break your fast. So yeah, I just thought I'd give you guys a quick update. I'll show you guys our food and the drink once we get it and we get back home. So this is the viral drink, you guys. Pretty much it's a venti strawberry acai refresher, and you want to add peach juice, and you want to say no water, and 2 pumps of raspberry syrup. You guys, when I say that this tastes like candy in a cup, I am not exaggerating. It's so good. It basically tastes like a bunch of Maynard's candy soaked in drink, and it's like just this amazing juice, and I just love it. So yeah, I just wanted to share this with you guys. All right, you guys, it's almost time for Iftar. So like how I mentioned from yesterday's portion of the vlog, today we have a family member who brought us food today. So sweet of her. I'm so excited to eat this. And then of course we all have our Popeyes. Everyone has their boxes closed, but I'll show you guys mine. I'm super excited. We just got chicken tenders, the spicy ones.
Alright you guys, so I'm back home now and there's about 10 minutes until Iftar. So I thought I'd come on here and close out today's vlog. I really hope you guys enjoyed this weekend vlog Ramadan edition. If you guys end up trying out the drink that I shared with you guys, let me know in the comments down below what you guys think. I'm so excited to drink it and I'm so excited to have Popeyes. I'll definitely show you guys some footage of the food once we take it out and we start eating. Everything is just closed up so that we can keep the food warm, if you know what I mean. So again, thank you guys so much for watching. If you enjoyed this video, please don't forget to give it a big thumbs up. And if you guys haven't subscribed already, make sure you guys subscribe to my channel and hit that notification bell so you never miss an upload. And you guys, I want to thank you so much for watching, and I'll see you guys in my next one. Bye guys.